students. Today our topic is we will discuss about uses of minerals. What are the use of minerals in our daily life, in industries, and later on we will discuss about why conservation of minerals are required, क्यों हमें इनको कंजर्व करना ज़रूरी है. And third one will discuss power resources. What are the different sources of power resources? In this we will discuss about conventional and non-conventional sources of energy. And in uses of minerals, conventional sources of minerals, non-conventional sources of minerals. In this topic we will discuss. Till now we have discussed in this chapter what are the minerals. Later on we will discuss about extraction of minerals. Third one, distribution of minerals in the world. And last one, distribution of minerals in India. So till now we have discussed 4 points: minerals, extraction of minerals, distribution in world or distribution in India. Now we are going to start use of minerals. Now uses of minerals. You know, minerals are used in many industries to make automobiles, to make tools, to make machines. So these are uses in many industries. Minerals which are used for gems are usually hard, and these are then set a various style of jewelry we are using. Copper is also used in industry. Another metal also used in industries to make a pipes for silicons, and aluminum also used in industries to make a aeroplanes, and minerals also used inside the kitchen in cookware. So we have discussed earlier. Today we will discuss why conservation is necessary, because minerals are limited. If we continue exploitation or continue use the minerals, तो they may be exhausted. एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब ये ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. तो our future generation may be face a problem, because without the help of minerals, development can't possible. That's why conservation of minerals is important. Minerals are non-renewable resources. It takes the thousands of years for the formations. इनको कई हजारों साल लगते बनने में. That's why conservation of minerals are required. The rate of formation is much smaller than the rate which human beings are using the minerals. In simple language we can say कि जो इनको कंज्यूम करने की रेट है, that is the higher than formation rate, इनके बनने की रेट से. For example, if we are consuming the in 1 year groundwater level till 2 मीटर, अगर 2 मीटर तक हम ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल को कंज्यूम करते हैं और उसकी फॉर्मेशन वाटर रिचार्ज होने की रेट अगर 1 मीटर है, इट्स मीन्स पर ईयर 1 मीटर जो वाटर लेवल है विल बी डिक्रीज. तो इन फ्यूचर्स वी फेस द वाटर शॉर्टेज प्रॉब्लम. एज इट एग्जाम्पल, मिनरल्स कंजर्वेशंस आर रिक्वायर्ड. इसी तरह अगर हम मिनरल्स का जो कंजप्शन रेट हाई हुई कंपेयर देन द फॉर्मेशन रेट, तो इन फ्यूचर्स सच मिनरल्स में बी एग्जॉस्टेड, एंड दैट्स वाई मिनरल्स कंजर्वेशंस आर रिक्वायर्ड. इट इज़ द नेसेसरी टू रिड्यूस वेस्टेज इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ माइनिंग. जैसे इन माइनिंग्स में वी आर वेस्टिंग द मिनरल्स, So we should be reduce the such wastage, and recycling of metals is another way which the mineral resources can be conserved. यानी we can recycle the minerals through the process, and जो हम मिनरल्स या जो चीज़ को हम यूटिलाइज कर चुके हैं उसको इधर उधर फेंकने से बेटर है कि उसको हम रिसाइकिल करें. और डेट्स वाई यू हैव सीन डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डस्टबिन प्लेस इनसाइड द सिटीज. रिसाइकल मे बी द सच टाइप ऑफ डस्टबिन आल्सो. तो डेट्स वाई मिनरल्स कंजर्वेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. नाउ आवर थर्ड टॉपिक is power resources. What are the power resources? Those resources we are getting energy from such resources. These are known as the power resources. Power resources are two types: conventional and non-conventional resources. So conventional resources, those resources we are using from the ancient time. कितने लॉन्ग टाइम से हम जिसको यूज करते आ रहे हैं. These resources are known as the conventional sources of energy. For example, firewood, natural gas, and hydel power are the examples of conventional resources. So, conventional resources, those we are using from the long time,